So, car's a mess. Look at this. Look at that. Disgusting. So since I've gotten the car, I've had it for about 4 months now. I haven't taken it for a wash at all, anywhere. Every time I think about it, I get comments and people tell me that because you own a Tesla, you're not able to take it through a car wash, because apparently it damages stuff. I don't really get it. To me, it's a car, and cars go through car washes. So I'm gonna take it through a car wash and see what happens. I actually have to add a bumper to the bottom here because as I was going around, I realized there's a little crack right there. Don't know how it happened, but we're gonna cover it up. And I have to get this clean first before we do that, so let's take it to the car wash.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Lots of people want their car washed.
It's car wash time. All right.
Wow.
Now it's dark. No leaks so far. I wonder why people say it's bad for the Teslas to go through these.
They say it's bad for them to go through a car wash?
Oh yeah, we're not supposed to do it apparently.
What?
I mean, people have done it. And they have they literally have a car wash mode. So it's it's safe.
No, but
so far so good. Looks a lot better now. It didn't quite get this off, but that can just easily come off. Cool. It's nice and clean, I like it. Now, it's time to put that front bumper on. So now that the car is nice and washed, we can finally install that bumper. And here it is. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just clearing off parts of the front. You can see there's a little chip right here. We'll deal with that when we put the wrap on this spring. But this area all the way down, I want to make sure it's bone dry, because this is where the adhesive is going to sit. So all the way down. So I originally thought that this was a crack, but it looks like it's a paint chip. Just all of that is missing, which is fine because the bumper is going to cover it up. So let's move on to the bumper. Knife time. So this front bumper was sent to us from EVBASE. I'm going to have a link in the description below. It's really cool. If you use promo code TTEOJ, you'll get a discount, not just on this, but on a wide, a wide assortment of their products. They specialize in all sorts of Tesla accessories, and they're premium, high quality stuff. So let's take a look at the bumper here. Now, there are different versions of this. I got the ABS one because I didn't like the carbon fiber look. I just don't like that design. Look at this. Wow. Would you look at that? I really, really wish we had a garage. It's cold outside. And this is going to be the main centerpiece of it. So let's clean up a little bit and regroup. Okay, so since I don't have a garage, I'm going to bring all my stuff up here and work on it. Hey, you know what? It's ABS. It can handle that. It's fine.
it got scratches already.
It's fine. We're going to start by using these screws right here to secure all of this together. So you'll see these are where the screws go. overlap, line them up, and then put the screw in. Okay, I'm gonna have to do one at a time because it's a little tricky to put them in there. Hand tight. It is ABS plastic, so if you over tighten, you do run the risk of cracking it. So don't do that. Okay, so that's one piece right there. Now let's move over to this side and attach this piece. You'll notice that this has these little red strips on here. This is not 3M tape, but it is still tape. And this is what's going to attach it. I'm actually holding it upside down here. Let me flip it over real quick. This is what the final product looks like. These holes we're going to attach the bottom push pins into. And then the rest of it just gets stuck on. So let's move over to the car now and get it in. These pins right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them that have to come out to make room for this. So let's get to popping. So what I'm doing now is just taking off all these stickies. These down here as well. And we just line it up and push. And push. Push and push and push. And the idea behind this is the tape is going to hang on in position, and then we go back underneath and we reattach those pins that we took off. This looks really good. Man, you can't even tell where I dropped it. Look at that. Looks nice. Really factory. Well, there you have it. If the pins worked, it would have been like a quick 5-minute install, but we made it work either way. I like it. I think it looks really cool. Oh yeah, once we put the purple wrap on that, sheesh. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all those things, and see you next time. Peace.